Are we in an airplane? Drive in the airplane? Well, it's really called fly. Whenever you are in an airplane, it's called fly. Can you press some of the buttons?
Beep, beep. Broken. He broken?
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then?
Is this the radio? Does an airplane have a radio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, I turned it. See the numbers turn right there? Who are you gonna fly? You're gonna fly to? Where are you flying to?
Grandma?
Grandma? And where else?
His store.
Oh, you're gonna go to the store? What kind of store?
Get cheez-it bites.
Oh, to get cheez-it bites? Okay. I'm pretty sure that we can fly to a store and get some cheez-it bites. Yeah, when Daddy comes home, you can give him a big hug.
Mom, sit there.
I'm all done sitting there.
Let's sit there.
Do you want to go play on the playground that looks like a boat? Let's go play on that playground. It looks like a really fun boat.
Why?
Lily, you like that strawberry juice? Is that good? Yum. Eliza, can you turn the wheel? Turn the wheel. Yes, go. Yeah, it's broken. It's just a broken airplane. But it's supposed to be a broken airplane.